Hey up! So I weren't going to put one on this week. I put a comment on the community section saying that I'd had a few issues. So what had happened is I realised when I were printing some of the stuff off that my blue pins were the wrong scale. So they were short and fat when they should have been long and thin. And that is an issue that I've got. So what I've had to do is I had to stop the build this week, and I've had to reprint the blue pins. So as you can see, they're the right ones now. So I'm going to be able to replace the ones in the gearbox, which will make that one fit a little bit better, and also the ones for the next build will fit in a bit easier without having to do much drilling and things like that like I did in the last one. So this video is just going to be a compilation of time-lapse videos. Also it's going to have some videos and pictures of the events that I went to on last weekend, so the Cars and Coffee at Porsche and also a few of the Brickfest. Yeah, so hopefully you like this one, and yeah, see you in a bit. So I hope you like that one. So yeah, that one were a suggestion from yourselves. So if you've got any other suggestions like that, if you want to stick them in the community section, that'd be fantastic. And then I'll get them implemented. If it's first time watching, welcome. And yeah, it'd be great if you did continue watching and you hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, thank you very much, and know that I appreciate every single one of you. And yeah, thanks again, like I say, and see you in the next one.